If you're tired of cleaning out your gutters every season, this video breaks down the top 5 DIY gutter guard systems on Amazon that keep leaves out and water flowing freely. Let's start with the LeafTek gutter guard system, one of the most trusted options for homeowners who want a durable USA-made solution. The LeafTek system features vented aluminum panels with a raised ridge design that channels water into the gutter while shedding debris like leaves and twigs. Unlike foam inserts or plastic screens, LeafTek's heavy-duty aluminum won't warp, degrade, or get clogged over time. The panels install easily over the top of your gutter with included screws and don't interfere with roof shingle. Available in kits for 5-inch and 6-inch gutters, this product is praised for its longevity and ability to handle heavy rainfall. Homeowners consistently report that it significantly reduces gutter cleaning while maintaining excellent water flow. If you want a long-lasting system that blends performance and value, LeafTek is a top-tier choice. Next is the Leaf4Go gutter cover system, designed with a dual-layer aluminum and stainless steel mesh that blocks both large leaves and smaller debris like pine needles and roof grit. This product is built for serious protection and comes with a 25-year warranty, making it a solid investment for long-term maintenance-free gutters. The mesh surface allows rainwater to pass through easily while preventing clogs that cause overflow and water damage. It installs underneath your roof shingles with screws for a secure fit, and the aluminum construction ensures it won't rust or degrade. Leaf4Go guards are popular among DIY homeowners who want a professional-grade solution without hiring a contractor. With multiple roll lengths available, including 28 feet, 48 feet, and 100 feet, it's easy to match your specific gutter size and coverage needs. Our third pick is the Amerimax lock-in gutter guard, a powder-coated steel system that's simple to install and ideal for K-style gutters. These guards come in 3-foot sections and are designed to slide under the first row of shingles while snapping onto the gutter lip. No screws or tools required for basic installation. The powder-coated steel resists rust in harsh weather, and the expanded mesh design keeps out large leaves and other common gutter blockages. The Amerimax lock-in system is a great choice for budget-conscious homeowners or those who want a quick, effective solution that doesn't require permanent attachment to the roof. While it may not stop the finest debris, it performs well in areas with broadleaf trees and moderate rainfall. It's particularly useful for single-story homes where maintenance and removal are easy. Fourth on the list is the Waterlock Micromesh gutter guard, engineered to block even the tiniest particles like pine needles, shingle dust, and small seeds. This system combines a stainless steel micromesh screen with a sturdy aluminum frame, offering both precision filtering and structural strength. It's ideal for homes in wooded areas or those with steep roofs where runoff is more intense. Waterlock guards sit over your gutters and can be screwed into place, ensuring long-term durability. The micromesh design helps prevent water from skipping over the edge, a common issue with cheaper guards. With a sleek black or silver finish, they also offer a clean, low-profile appearance. Homeowners who've dealt with persistent clogging from fine debris find this to be one of the most effective and low-maintenance options available. Finally, we have the Extreme Flow aluminum gutter cover system, a high-flow solution designed to handle heavy rainfall and large volumes of water. These perforated aluminum guards are built from 0.018-inch thick material and come in long roll formats for seamless installation. They feature drainage holes that balance water flow with debris control, and they're tough enough to last for decades with little to no maintenance. Installation involves screwing the guard into the top of the gutter without tucking under shingles, which reduces the risk of roof damage. This makes Extreme Flow ideal for homeowners who want robust, straightforward performance without altering their roofing system. It's especially useful in areas with high rainfall or trees that drop a lot of debris throughout the year.